too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrotefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH
GH and money go so amushe me mama kwa basronko eba jimedie eso me din edena na ama owusu a dane dano ensembe to dwa sei a na ma jimedwa na ma church mu ma pipe mu na ma bese mu ede a kire etiefo ene ahwefo so na mo nso mo betimi ate ase anase mo betimi nye bi efim na akwese na woche etwem besi na wotwe mu de asem bako a e trendy e wo social media te se wo bia ente wase wo bia na no tumu ebi se bisa ho nsem eye gospel musician Joyce blessing na warrior ehontem na na wache etwem ne beto dwa video bi eba abonten a video no tumu se na Joyce blessing ni bu efu pa a te se kasa wo kakra mpo hu pote camera esi ne sopo na watimi a te se comporting ho kakra no wo kasa no wo challenge you se voice bi so ejina nchen a no so reiterate te se wo no so cancel na explanation a edi video no echi ene se Joyce blessing no woko the sister-in-law ni kuno waware ni nua ba efie se o ka koklemi ne ma miensa wo makodi ne sister-in-law no enche na eno enanti ase anye adwuma wo ha te se de entokwa eba ho no ma te sakasa no ebepie mu ewo video no na ebiem so no story edi etwe eno se te si ade de Joyce blessing efia wo team na ware efia wo mu no te se oja kese bi pa na aso onti ase bi asori wo te se enye adwuma wo hokra obi ante no wase ewo fio ni kunu etu de afa baby wono so Joyce no so afa baby te se obi ante no wase ewo fio na no na Ghana for edisa se na ade na all of a sudden as a gospel musicians wo wo just say one ba outer one worry akona no ma blow me fine who be just when you crash na boost to faith all of a sudden na wo take bad news that say one worry no akọ bad na enko for enti ase presenters efre on Joyce blessing say obetchire mu say dey na airport so say na worry no say na speculations e dey to just say egun no kresa anasa enye no kre na Joyce blessing na mu e dey to just say see dey want me enkasa enkometi e wona worry ehun na wo de bibia asha lawyer for enter and no crampo e boosti the just more to said that bibi enkosuye because and some are lawyer for ebe sori aba ensem na e say enti ase bi enye dwuma woni na ebe for third person and as a third party amomaka eye ensem no so the two just say wa kofa lawyers for nkwa Ghana for edi to mu say be sesi ade die na wa we no ensem asori ewo mu na ye tena ho a chen say wo bi beba out no wa beka bibi afa ho say de na airport support ewo fie ho na ye te allegations bebre na ebi say Joyce blessing na wo chiti ewo nukunu so ebi so ba out because say Joyce blessing na nukunu Dave join no no so afa na echi atase wo wakowo emma miensa which our reni echi atase akoye nsempi e dey ma Joyce blessing ene nukunu no entem na ni niemu no ni ye sheda ente bibia mfi eye Dave join na kasa be ma ye Joyce blessing nukunu wona nete no ni ye sheda ente nsembia emfi na no eye koti se ene dey ye wonu an kasa mu be ma wo bie na no ache nsem no sade beto dwa ebie nsem ni de ekoso ni fie no ache eye Ghana form na wo che ni nsem ne busa form esemaso ensem ka kire ebusa form ensem sisi o ensem sisi na ansa na mebo ensem no mu no ye nkotie de Dave Joyce so edit dwa efa wo mawari
wo che no to nsa na to twene no sansan na chipo eba akra It is a Jaya and Crowley in Mantian Classic. Near the way forward. It isn't a man for woman. Busa so afraid that made him cry free view. I'm framed that. May your own frame open crowd on my head. Some is why I have that right. Some mother baby and become yard.
Now, or they Sunny Coy, no. At the end of one see one on one, ama a yank akasa be.
No, they are not in the hole. But according to Miss Anase, not our politicians who on for bag and medical say, there being to Mr. Rene and San Jose and Sunday Yendo, a gross like minimum what happened there. But I know Koran say, this is Brazil Yanji and Saturday, let's mark what's in a care and appear. Oh Joyce, no now James, and two could have a wound to me could have a power bushing of one car. Oh, New York, and the do to boy dignity or more boy. Wouldn't bushing of one uncle. And the James and the granite in the year. And a more of a papa, so I'm friend as a whole banner on. One for 1 year, I don't know, tones and to Jimmy Cycle.
Na brother girl ne friend no say Julie J o say Julie J no wono issue be no one Joyce wo.
No Joyce issue. Julie J no a nurse. 3 years no near 90 a corner man who to Chiman. See the woman in a mission. No man that say yes, and then intimate. The issue got a fee. And I just say yen meaning to be any pana 3 years there. One to make a home continue dying in the young farmer crown. Almost until the web in the Juma, or near Juma for 3 years, one to pay. You got it. It will be bad enough for 3 years. Tower crazy. I want to make family just like that. Or I'm going to be the end of okay, I want to say. It's a name I make practice. I can't 3 years. Not BBS, 1 morning, my and one permanent. Watching a BB Cotona. Am I meeting don't know it?
Auntie Joyce apamu akora no. Joyce apamu no.
Appreciate. According to me, I mean, if you is there, Joyce in the bush of quantity. Me,
Enu nti na yesi akora ne buofu say Joyce entua ne 300 million na the Joyce information ya ba beto abonten.
Oh, there be
Ebusiafo ensem no na odi egu hosa no wo pate say eye Joyce letter ye nua ye libru say oye angel onyankopon ba Adam nana ane ho tin yakopon agena yakopon tin etini mu yakopon asem eyi adwuma ewo mu se enye sakra na asem ne sitie nye sa ne sitie kra eye ni so a se video mu wo to nwumi nyame ye na nuanu na oye righteous enuamu na oye good lady enuanu mu na oye angel na eba awawe mu a wo ya homaso akese ankasa de se de nukuru beka bia won fa anya asem wontie ni kunu po asempo na wode aye adwuma na ni kunu etire mu no saka se ensem na eye allegations a ebebo ba ye ka se ye Julie JB na beta na wawe so ke kan ensem kunu aso ma tesa wawe na egu no ente sakura na Joyce Blessing ya mom na odi ahantan mi muhwe edi di girl ni eni tese wa pam oba wa serve for 3 years one new sikada when twene kada say the only thing that Odiman say woman baby etna ye e man kakra bi odbe didi that say wu twene kapa for adwuma wo ye eni de wan ye bi da obi ye ne nurse ni a wote ne ho ase onim say won adwuma ta ne nsa no wa friend say o me wo publicist na wenti ama na akatua bakumpo for 3 good years na biem to sa pam no so won ko ne chicks say ya won ko enu na di ensemanya eba ye nti Joyce Blessing kuchira say na yet tin sem say ono they join no na ye Joyce Blessing bone no ne publicist Julie J twempna say mo kan sem efa Joyce Blessing painting the black in the public eye and yes na sem to say the joy chira Joyce Blessing na e arrogant na wetimi akọ na busu fie akoto ensa ye de be ware no akoto ato the busu fie a obi a wo ba say wo hwehwe ne papa o father in law say nka ono ne be kasa no ukọ ede wehu na wetimi ato nsa to fie a wan tese wan kire mu wan ka hwe ante tese wo kire se wo mu hwe tese de wasro wo sika wo tese wo de ho wo bia ntimi nsha so ni ti moten yi asa na Dave Joy de kire mu na busafo ensem wo beto dagana for h0ck me say aye o mu wan tese wo mti ase enye ye sa and say son the trend of all the gospel musicians in man mostly because stories be I won't break it up with our husbands are the same trend no go on now must be a hand time be almost so na I feel all the no on the boss I said the same thing not only they break it up with almost spouses not to say oh my do no from one marriage to another marriage na de bia sa trend na nti they say then ye be dey e de gide ahyemu se mo amomo hye yen kran mo amo na menyim tuo mu e de nyame din e say ema yen so yes spirit so se be ya break it down kran mo ti hye kran etu ye gide mu mo amu mabrabo NCP a ye be dey agimatum ebusafo Ghana for say nsem we de ya abro so e wo gospel industry na ya do so dodo e ma na ware egudodo e me ma no so e fo mu ire chi dodo ensem no edos ni ntebe ya etu interest se ni I say eye Christosum no aye lifestyle bi a wo mo penesa ni Christopher mu de mo say ensem we de enye mo de kra na eye Ghana fo bi acho madwe afa eye de Joyce blessing ni ku no ede betu dwa no ho ye hwe eye some of the comments aba app no ebi we dia wo dia aba Ephraim Ruben or say this is the husband side of the story. We need to listen to Joyce's blessing side of the story. Then we shall know the truth. We can't just take one side and judge. What Chena just say pa nukunu na be candidate wonu be bia wogina anything wo hunyama ni so no sa eno de betu da ena se wo judge wo bu aten a wonina ba bi fa ko na wo de bu aten wo kokko kra wo hu se nipa ba kwa sempe a wo kan pe ena di bu aten eye den a ye ma wo bi fofo so ekebi the eka sebato no so no ono so bie na no eka ne de na fam so no ono so ehu nsemani so no ono so eye no ma ne kwan ma ne so kase bi enu nti ye ma kwan e ma Joyce blessing so e ma bonten e metre ensem ni mu no ono so kire mu a ne ehu se oh okay we na eka ne kware ehu nsem ni enu eni so from two sides na o na betimi aputi eye ye eti ye te ehu se we na eka ne kware we de na eye papa we na eka ne kware ne ehu so ye na se eka se we nkwa be kan nti se we di kan akokota enti se we di kan akọ police station enti no di for there dabi eno enimu sa we so efi kojo entry o say all these people call themselves gospel singers for God onu there wabu aten kre ewie Doris Woodra so eje odabo say there is something they are hiding, there is something they are not telling Ghanaians. We shouldn't listen to everything and believe it all. There is something that they have kept behind closed doors. And also actually na so ndo huni say still na bibi wo mu a emmeto dwa ye se na ye hu nsemeni no eya sa ne sitie and the post says sa de na beto dwa de wono pa de won ji bibia endida we so efi one love akufi and also ede odo say why allow your sister-in-law to take control of your marital problems? Deal with it yourself, because your sister-in-law will leave you to follow another man. Sometimes to come and she can no more support you again. Take this advice from me. Also actually I just say na ehun hia kra say ye Dave Joy obema ne nua ba aba woni ne yere entem kra say wo muntem nsem wo mu ma te say we na ehwe we ba we su na ehwe ba na te say ehun hia so mo de ye Dave Joy nua ebeba mtente ya asem esu wo mu ni ntem anka say nka mo pe kwan a wo meso be na say wo mepe outside the crowd ba ensem no obetimi aye fair to the two of them. I obetimi aka ensem ni ye na so mo de ni nua ba be hwem ni nko ade ni kwan kra Dave Joy wa nya de say wo de ni nua ba the ba ensem de ne mania kogu ni nua ba o so na be ya ne yere no ebedi for ewo ensem no emu we so efi Ruby or say beginning of love is very sweet but the end Lord help us so on there asem we dey what if you penifo ho no so eke we say odo asha se de eye de pa te say wo eto ano so a wontimi nyai obeta frɛ nanso ekwa wie ya oh ho na be hu say adane poison akansa ho na wotin nsem akase nka mo anka mo bom nante na mu di do wo hwe mo pictures kra kono fekeke na se si ade boni etime sum ntoma te se madane atanfo ade se we ka we ho asem boni we se be ka we ho asem boni enu nti odo asase de eye de da na so ne wiye ene ya asem kese we so efi Cynthia o say why involve your sister? I don't like such men who involve their family members in their marital issue. Kweku Batin also there say what the husband is saying doesn't hold water. He is hiding something because what he said can't bring divorce. There is something hidden. The husband should tell the whole world the truth if he wants to open up. Wesu Edia Wade Abba Efi Andy was saying from the look of things, the problem in their union is the interference of man's family members. So this is expected. Or say, ondo huni say, nyama koko benya no, efi bema no ebusua, eye den ara aware mu de, se ebusafo eyiwo muti wo mu pe, eye den atokwa ebesi enimti, eye divorce na mpipe mu amba mu ntem de, eye expected because obema no echi, the busafo edi wo muti ewra aware no emu.